Heatshield Products Inferno Wrap. We're wrapping some stock LS3 headers for your Brand Arthur's Pro Light. Let's get into it and show you some tips and tricks along the way. I like to start kind of far away and everything kind of starts flowing together. Kind of do one whole section, stop, another whole section, stop, another whole section, stop, and then kind of try to tie everything all in together. Now I'm going to the 2-inch wrap, and like I was saying earlier, after you do the 1-inch on all the smaller areas, you can get them more confined, closer to the certain angles and everything. And then you go to the 2-inch to get the more surface area. It uses less wrap. I always like to go with the smaller ends because you can't get the big roll through. So I always pull what I think I need throughout one little hoop area, and then start wrapping with the leading edge, and then leave it kind of like that, and then you would start like that, so it just overlaps it. So now after you finish wrapping it, I usually just like go through and tighten certain spots, you know, all the, where it comes together, like here, here, here. Yeah, so once you do safety wire tightening with the safety ties or safety wire, we just like safety wire just because you can kind of, it's easier to move around and they're not as big to kind of blend in. You're pretty much done at that point.